Usu CCM team minister na kifte wanandu atatu
We need to know how the revenue allocation, revenue distribution and revenue collection is going to be done. So at the moment, as it stands, illegal sand harvesting is still happening. And let me warn these people who are carrying it out. I am there, a member of parliament. I am immovable. I am unshakable. And I don't care who is authorizing it until proper procedure is laid down.